What's good, boys? Welcome back to a new video. And today we are restarting slowly but surely trading again after blowing our challenge. Um, and if you want, I'll leave the video here if you're interested. But yeah, gaining confidence again before starting a new one. I think it's important. And I don't have another option anyway, so we gotta we gotta stick to demo for a few days, even weeks, I think. But yeah, we'll see. Important thing to regain confidence and to, do your strategy again without emotions to, just be fire again for the next challenge. Um, for those who have already liked, subscribed, whatever, thank you very much. For those who haven't yet, here's your chance. And yeah, let's recapitulate this. Basically entered bit late Friday, but I saw a nice, pretty good setup here. Um, the conditions weren't there, but first trade after 2 weeks, first trade after, blowing the challenge. So I wanted to take it because, even if it's Friday, first, we don't care because it's demo, and two, I don't know, just try it out, right? And it went good until the fill, the daily gap. So having my break even here, moved my stop loss to here, and even further above when it broke here, when it continued here. Um, the issue, as you can see, I got wicked out. That is really the only thing, and it was due to the market conditions. We had load of volatility. We know the hours here aren't ideal to trade. But the trading idea is still valid. It still went up, and that's what we want to see. We want to see our strategy to work. Obviously, this won't be a strategy that I would trade on, simply because I don't enter a Friday at 10 at 8 o'clock. Usually, if I enter, would be maybe a move like this. Um, yeah, actually, I think. That was it. Actually, I think I took this trade. No, no, I did not. I was watching it, but I did not take it. Also, this one, that would be another move that I was on the verge of entering, and when I looked up again, it had made this big ass candle. So I decided to not do it, right? Because I missed the move. So yeah, I decided to finally take this one. Um, got wicked out, but still, if it hits TP, it would be great because my trading idea is good. That means, and yeah, that was my scaling point somewhere here. And actually, I think we would have been subbed out. Scaling point somewhere here. Uh, Let me check if there is a break to the downside. Yeah, we would have been stopped out anyways in profits, but stopped out. Maybe not due to the scaling point. I don't know. I don't know. But still a good trade, still a valid trade. Obviously, we would have gone out somewhere here, and probably we would have made a break even anyways. So yeah, lost not a lot anyway. So yeah, we really don't care. Um, as I said, pretty important to regain confidence. I think we are doing good today. I saw the market and it wasn't. We didn't have any opportunity really. Actually, did we? Yes, we did, and I missed it. Yeah. So, did it hit here? Yes, but no. No, actually not. Yeah, so really not a good day to trade. I wanted to take this one here to the order block here, so a really smaller trade, but just wasn't looking too great. There is not a big move coming up. It's just stagnating a bit, ranging, consolidated boom higher, consolidating boom higher, and that's the move we want to we're looking. So I'm already, well, I'm quote unquote in the trade, right? I'm already doing the trade, so yeah. Um, well, uh, let me, yeah, I think we said it all. Um, really happy with the combine, what we did with the combine, even though it wasn't what I was expecting. Um, I knew I was going to blow it, but I did not knew it was going to be as fast, as quickly, as unexpected as it happened. But yeah, we learned a lot. Definitely a great experience. But now we have, well, as I said on another video, I think now we have something to compare ourselves, to know, oh yeah, I did better. Oh no, I did worse. Um, and well, it will be pretty easy to do better than the previous combine, as we will be trading 1%, 1 whole percent. Before I was trading 0.25. So just with one trade, we will do better than, one winning trade, and we will be way upper than here, than the one here. And obviously another good thing to do is simply to, well, not crash down, and that letting me to holding my challenge longer. That will be the two main things. I will probably go over this as soon, later on when we will start the challenge, but that will be the two main focuses. And obviously not crashing out, not gambling, because it's when it's when I gamble that I go deeper down in a hole, right? That's when I don't want to trade anymore, when I gamble, right? So even in demo, I'll try to not do it. Um, and yeah, um, I did hold on without gambling, without crashing out a lot during the challenge, but I ended up doing it anyways. And it will be great to simply not do it. In demo, I used to, it's demo, so I used to crash, bro. I did not even care. Now I'm really trying to train, literally train to when it's the combine hour, be ready to not do the errors. If you do the errors on demo, you will do it on combine pretty surely, or in live market pretty surely, right? So that's what we want to avoid. Obviously, I won't. Let me see. I think it's a whole month. Well, no, we got this week. Yeah, so 3 weeks of demo at least. Um, Maybe I make it a month to see if I crash or not. Maybe to train a bit, because literally for me demo is, for me that wouldn't be a coming back, like a uh, returning to, like deep, not progressing, right? Degressing, that, if that's a word, that wouldn't be like degressing for me. It would be more like, yeah, really a training. I see it more like a training than anything else. Um, I don't know. Practice makes it perfect, I guess. So the more you practice, the more you know, I don't know. I knew that my strategy is profitable without the emotions, and I know that in demo we don't have a lot of emotions. Um, and in combine, well, it wasn't profitable because I blow it. So I don't know if practice is the combine or if practice is demo, but at least I don't want to crash down in the 3 next weeks. Um, Boom, 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 and that would be, yeah, that would be a great training, great practice. Whatever, I'm saying practice way too much. But yeah. Anyways, that will be all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you. Well, next time I trade, we will do some demo. Now the goal for the next 3 weeks will be to, yeah, more or less do, um, yeah, 5-10% maybe to be in profit. literally be in profit. There is no need to set a particular target. I want to be in profit. That's all, bro. That will be all. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Like, subscribe. Again, second opportunity if you haven't done it yet. It's now or well, after the video, obviously. But yeah, like, subscribe. Tell me what you think of the trade. If you're new to the channel, drop a comment. I know to I like to interact with you guys. So yeah, that will be all. And yeah, bye, bro.